February 1999, and the Indian media and fans are sharpening the knives as the home team faces a serious defeat at the hands of Pakistan in New Delhi. Politics have contrived to keep the two teams apart in test matches for almost a decade. But when Pakistan take a stunning 12-run victory in the opening test in Chennai, India are forced to win their first test against Pakistan in over 20 years to level the series. On the fourth day, it doesn't look good for India. Chasing a total of 420 to win, Pakistan's openers Saeed Anwar and Shahid Afridi make short work of the Indian attack. At lunch, the score is 101 without loss. Enter Anil Kumble.
He's out. Caught behind. Afridi not happy with that. He thinks that the bat might have brushed the pad. We'll have to wait and see.
Well, pretty difficult to tell. It seemed as if there was a bit of a gap between the ball and the bat. Well, now he has seen the raised index finger.
He's given him out. Leg before. It was a full toss, almost Yorker. Jayaprakash took his time and then declared Ijaz out. For cricket in India, Mr. Lele. That's a lovely shot by Inzamam. Just leaning into it. Lazy elegance there, demonstrated.